Welcome to Inside Scoop Headlines, your on-the-go listen for AHF's top news, where you get updated on current initiatives in 5 minutes or less.
Even though experts don't expect monkeypox to be the next COVID, it has swiftly become a déjà vu nightmare. Last week, President Biden declared a health emergency for monkeypox. This announcement came weeks after many major cities declared emergencies. Currently, there are a reported 7,500 cases of monkeypox in the U.S., and more are being detected daily. AIDS Healthcare Foundation will join the fight to vaccinate high-risk communities at the Monkeypox Summit this fall at the University of Miami. There, medical professionals will shed light on exposure, early detection, and post-infection. The housing crisis in California is one of the most visible and persistent obstacles. There are failed systems, finger-pointing, and a clear lack of accountability. That is about to change. Adaptive reuse is a practice that involves economically repurposing an older, depleted, or otherwise vacant building for the purpose of offering permanent and affordable housing. On Friday, August 5th, AHF and Housing is a Human Right held a preview at the Barclay Hotel of their new exhibit, Adaptive Reuse: Transforming Buildings, Transforming Lives. City officials were invited to tour the space and learn about AHF's housing efforts. AHF and Housing is a Human Right were presented a certificate of recognition from the state of California. The 24th International AIDS Conference kicked off in Montreal, Canada on July 29th, and AHF hosted an interactive satellite event to discuss advocacy initiatives. At the conference, AHF shared their innovative Condom Emoji campaign with public health leaders across the globe. AHF offered pins of eggplant emojis with condoms on them for global leaders to wear at the conference. The condom emoji pins and campaign are used to promote safe sex through safe sexting. To join in on the campaign, sign the petition condomemoji.org. Did you know AHF Pharmacy offers Paxlovid, Pfizer's COVID-19 antiviral pill? Studies show that Paxlovid reduces the risk of hospitalization or death by 89% in high-risk patients who experience symptoms for 3 days or less. The antiviral was granted an emergency use authorization by the Food and Drug Administration for anyone ages 12 and older who weighs at least 88 pounds and is at high risk for severe disease. Paxlovid should be taken within the first 5 days of experiencing symptoms. If taken after this 5-day window, the damage done to the body by COVID-19 can't be undone by the antiviral. All AHF pharmacists will have more information on eligibility and use of Paxlovid. The AIDS Walk Atlanta Music Festival and 5K Run is almost here. The fundraiser is a great way to give back to the Atlanta community for those living with HIV and AIDS. This year is being headlined by Wale and Trina, so be prepared for an epic concert following the 5K walk. AIDS Walk Atlanta attendees will also enjoy food trucks, games, prizes, and of course, AIDS Walk Atlanta swag. If you've registered for the walk, remember to bring a face covering, sunblock, sunglasses, your ID, and comfy shoes. And if you haven't registered to see Wale and Trina and to walk for a good cause, visit AIDSWalkAtlanta.org right now. We walk September 24th.